Amie is terrific. We love having her here. Not only does she do the job well, she's one of our most productive people. The challenge of packaging is that it needs to be perfect. It needs to be perfect every time. But it also needs to be done economically.
Companies like TierONE should partner with Ability Beyond because we are a source of talent and skilled workers that can positively contribute to their bottom line.
By TierONE partnering with Ability Beyond, we are able to provide those services to our customers in a way that's I think, a win-win for both of us.
When Amie started, we showed her how to complete the 2 tip kits, and now over time she's working on 3 tip kits. So she's really increased the amount of work that she is doing here by showing them that she can do the job well.
She is able to sit there all day long and focus on a job that sometimes is hard to focus on. She goes way beyond the standard number of kits that would normally be made by someone in a day, and it's a huge benefit to TierONE.
Amie's favorite part of working with TierONE is just coming to work and being happy and being with a group of people that she enjoys being around.
Every time I come in, they're all smiling and telling me how great Amie has been doing.
All the folks that work with Amie make her know how important her job is, that the next person that's going to open up the package that she puts together is a scientist out in the laboratory.
You leave and you did your job so well. How do you feel?
Proud. Amie was very quiet when she first started. She didn't really advocate for herself.
All these new people around her, she was getting to know them. So I think a goal was to bring her out of that shell. She's advocating for herself now. She's talking more with everybody around her, including me.
It's great to see the progression and see Amie really grow within the company.
Did you ever have a bad day at work?
No.
No?
The TierONE culture is described by what we call the TierONE experience, and what that is 5 behaviors that we believe that every employee should exhibit when they're here at work. And we see that in Amie every single day.
The people we serve here at Ability Beyond are really looking for the same thing that all of us are looking for. They want a meaningful job, they want to be valued in their communities, they want to participate and be successful.
Companies like TierONE have enabled us to be more successful because without them, we couldn't do one of our basic endeavors, which is helping individuals with disabilities to find employment. We hope that we can find many more businesses that are willing to partner with us and find that same value in working with us.
Give it a try. Give Ability Beyond a call, and they can tell you the types of jobs that they think they could help you with.
How long do you see yourself being at TierONE?
Forever.